Hello, welcome to Time with Sylvia. What are you having this weekend? Well, let me suggest this simple light soup with some fufu for you, okay? So I started with my marinated chicken. You can start afresh, okay? Then I added my vegetables, okay? I added only one tomato because I was going to add some tomato puree. But if you want more, you can add so you avoid the tomato puree, okay? Okay. Okay, so please give it a very gentle stir. Okay, I was using soft chicken, so I didn't want it to break out, so very gentle with it. When the vegetables are cooked, you just take them out, blend it, sieve it. I added some pepper at this point. Okay, sieve it and then bring all back into the pot. See how simple it is? Very simple. Okay, at this point, give it a gentle stir, taste, and if it needs more salt, it tasted and I needed more salt, so I added more salt at this point. Okay, I didn't want the chicken to break all out, so I took them out and then I brought it back later. This was my last magic ingredient. Blend it, add it to the soup, and you are good to go. Bring back all the chicken that you removed from the beginning and then put this on low heat and let this cook for just about 10 minutes and then you will be done. Okay, if today is your first time on my page, please subscribe, like, and then also share. Okay, I paired mine with some fufu. See as I serve myself. Oh, see as I serve myself. Hey, look, this soup, it went to Harvard. First class students, this soup. Ah, it tasted great. It tasted great. Okay, I just went straight into eating it. Okay, so try this method. It's very simple but very nice. Okay, try this method and let me know how it tastes. Okay, till the next video, stay blessed.